Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your search engine optimization business. If you own a search engine optimization agency, then manually handling all the frequently asked questions can slow down your process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these queries and send SEO reports all automatically through WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for search engine optimization agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Hi there, welcome to Rank Rocket SEO Agency. We help website get seen. What would you like to do today?" And it has provided us with 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says SEO Audit. And it responds us with, "Great. Please share your website URL and business niche below." So here I'm going to send my response as this. "Thanks, your audit is in progress. You will receive your full SEO report within 24 hours. Next, I'm going to choose the second option that says sample reports. And our chatbot responds us with, "Here's a sample of our SEO audit report." It has provided us with a clickable link of the sample of our SEO audit report. Lastly, I'm going to choose the option to contact us. And it says, "One of our coordinators will connect with you soon. You can also reach us at this given number." So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for search engine optimization agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website, and to do that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Search Engine Optimization Agency. On the screen you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose a template. Here's a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. To know how to create templates, you can check the link in the description box. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to access it and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I'm going to add little star signs because it will make our message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional as well. Our message will look like this to the user. Here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options such as free SEO audit. Then I'm going to create another option such as sample reports, and lastly I'm going to create a response for an option to contact us. And this is how we have created our first message. Once we are done with it, we have to create response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with free SEO audit. And for that, I'm going to access the action type nodes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I'm going to add this message and here I'm going to add please share your website URL and business niche below. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and then we have an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, we need to create it first. To know how to create contact custom fields, click on the link in the description box. Here I'm going to select contact custom field as add, and as format I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add this message. It will look like this to the user. Once we are done with our first response, we will create a response for second option that says sample reports. And for this, I'm going to access text button again. Here I'm going to add this message. Our message will look like this to the user. And lastly, we are going to generate a response for contact us. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again. And here I'm going to add all the contact details. Here I have added this message and it will look like this to the user. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Search Engine Optimization Agency. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video. And once you're done creating your flow, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.